all, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'll show you how you can add your LinkedIn leads into your HubSpot CRM automatically without any manual intervention. So to do this, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect, and if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Click on the sign up for free and you're going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then log in inside Pabbly Connect, open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to search for LinkedIn and select it. For the event, we have to select it as lead notifications and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between LinkedIn and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then connect with LinkedIn. Once we click on this connect with LinkedIn, our LinkedIn account is connected with Pabbly Connect because I have already logged in my LinkedIn account before starting with this automation. But if you haven't logged in your LinkedIn account, first Pabbly is going to ask you to log in your LinkedIn account and then only this connection will be made. So I'll suggest you log in all your applications before starting with the automation. It makes the procedure easy. Now it is asking me for the sponsored account, so it is saying no options found. So if you find some problem like this, simply click on this refresh fields and the options will appear. Then select the sponsored account and click on this save and send test request. After clicking on the save and send test request, it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, open your ad. So as you can see that this is the ad I'm running on LinkedIn and I've attached this lead form. I want that whenever someone fills in this lead form, I want to add the lead details in my HubSpot CRM. Alright, so let's fill in this lead form in order to generate a test lead. But you can see that we're not getting the option to fill in this first name, last name and company name. Why? Because my campaign is in draft mode. But if you're running a live campaign, your leads will definitely get the option to fill in all of these details too. You don't have to worry. Alright, so let's only fill in this email address and the phone number for which we are getting the option. Alright, so as you can see, for the email address I've entered it as new66888@pabblytudes.com, and for the phone number I'm going to keep the phone number as this. After entering all of these details, let's click on this submit. Once we click on this submit, it is saying information sent to Pabbly. So let's open our workflow, but now it is saying waiting for webhook response. So we just have to wait for a few seconds till it is capturing the webhook response, which is the details of my lead. So now you can see that we have successfully captured these lead details. Now let's add this in our HubSpot CRM. So let's close this and click on this add new action step. For the action application, we have to search for HubSpot and select HubSpot CRM. For the event, we have to select create a contact and click on this connect. Now if you've already created a connection between HubSpot and Pabbly Connect, then click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then click on this connect with HubSpot CRM. Once we click on this connect with HubSpot CRM, first of all, make sure that you have logged in your HubSpot account before starting with this automation. After you have logged in your HubSpot account, Pabbly is going to ask you to choose a sub account. So choose the account right from here and your HubSpot account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. So easy, right? Now you have to add the details in this so that the details can be added in your HubSpot CRM too. But you don't have to enter the details manually by tapping it like this, but instead you have to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So first of all, it is asking me for many details, but we are only going to fill in the details which are required or the details which we have for lead and we want to fill in. Otherwise, you can ignore the rest of the details. So I have filled in the email, phone number. I'm just going to fill in this last name, and now we have also filled in this company name. name. So let's map all the details which are required, and after mapping this, click on the save and send test request. It is asking for many details, so don't get confused. Only enter the details which you wish to fill in. After doing this, we have successfully received the positive response that we have created a contact in HubSpot CRM. So let's open our HubSpot CRM, and you're going to see the contact is created. You're going to see the name Pabbly Subscription Billing Management Service, which was the name right over here. You're going to see the email, the phone number, and the company name is exactly the same which we entered during the test submission. And with this, we have successfully completed our workflow. Now, whenever we're going to receive a new lead from LinkedIn, automatically the lead details will be added in HubSpot CRM. All of this is going to happen in backend. We don't have to come back and again to our workflow to click on save and send test request. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. While trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below too. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching.
So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.